In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shortcut. How to create bullets in Slack-like apps, simple keyboard shortcuts. If you've ever typed a message and wished you could quickly turn it into a clean, organized list, this is for you. Bulleted lists are perfect for action items, meeting notes, or breaking complex ideas into digestible points, without reaching for your mouse or digging through formatting menus. First, open the conversation where you want to write. This could be any channel or a direct message. The key is to be inside the space where your message will live. Take a second to think about what you're listing: tasks, steps, or highlights. Having that in mind will make the shortcut feel even more natural when you use it. Next, click into the message box so your cursor is active in the composer. This part matters. The shortcut only works where you type. If you're editing a longer message, move your cursor to the exact spot where you want your list to begin. If you need a fresh line, press Enter once to drop to a new line so your bullets don't merge with a paragraph. Now for the shortcut itself. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the number 8 together. That toggles a bulleted list right in the message field. On many keyboards, you'll want to use the 8 on the number row at the top. If you're on a Mac, the equivalent is usually Command, Shift, and 8. You should now see a bullet appear, and your cursor will be ready for your first item. Type your first point, then press Enter to create the next bullet. Each time you hit Enter, a new bullet appears automatically, keeping your ideas aligned and easy to scan. If you're done with the list, press Enter again on an empty bullet to exit the list, or press Backspace to remove the bullet and continue typing normally. If you accidentally start a list, just press the shortcut again to toggle it off. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. Keep your items short and consistent so the list is easy to read at a glance, and start each bullet with an action word if you're listing tasks. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, make sure your cursor is actually in the message field, and not in search or another input. That's it. Open the conversation, click in the message box, then press Ctrl, Shift, and 8 to start a bulleted list. With a little practice, you'll format clean, readable messages in seconds.